Hi, everybody, and welcome back to Level English, your daily dose of English immersion.
It is Monday. English is my first class today.
Do you like English class?
Yes, I love English lessons.
English is hard for me.
And then we have math after English.
Math class is next.
Is math fun for you?
Yes, I enjoy counting and math.
Math makes my head hurt. So we read stories and literature instead.
We read stories in literature.
Do you read every day?
Yes, I read short books daily.
Long books confuse me.
Then in art, we draw the stories we read.
Art class is colorful.
Can you paint well?
I can draw simple things.
Drawing is not easy for me. But history class has more stories to tell.
History tells us old stories.
Do you remember history facts?
I know some important dates.
Old events are hard to remember.
And music class is about old songs too.
I sing in music class.
Can you play an instrument?
I can play easy tunes.
Musical notes look like math to me. So philosophy makes us think like music does.
We ask big questions in philosophy.
Do you like thinking deeply?
Yes, I enjoy new ideas.
Some thoughts are too big for me.
Then we use logical thinking in computer class.
Computers are in every class now.
Can you type fast?
I can use computers well.
Technology confuses me sometimes. But Spanish class uses computers too.
Spanish sounds like a song.
Can you speak any Spanish?
I can say hola y gracias.
Spanish words twist my tongue.
Then we start with English class again.
Now it's your turn to practice. So let's put what you've learned into action right away. Try to write 3 phrases that you learned in the comments. Don't worry about perfection, the goal is to practice. Thanks for watching and see you soon.